It's Wispy Woods! Look, everybody! It's Wispy Woods! Dun, dun, dun. Come on! We gotta kill Wispy Woods. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, now. You gotta help me jump when you see Wispy Woods without wind. It's because then I'll lose a life.
Here's your first blow, Kirby.
I sucked it out.
Ow! Man, that hurt me. I'm gonna drop an apple. That hurts.
You can all see a tear on Wispy Woods' eye. That's what he looks like when he's dead. Now everyone, come on, dance with me to my victory dance. First, here's an example from Kirby's Dreamland. Ready? Okay. It's supposed to be on the clip of it. I just decided to change it, so now, I have lots of more levels to go, and you can come with me. I have lots more levels to go to get to King DDD, and you can come with me. Now, let's go out of the woods. To be continued for part 3.